레인보우 프렌즈의 귀요미 빌런 오렌지의 정체가 드디어 공개되었다고 합니다. 게임툰즈님의 채널을 통해서 말이죠. 마지막에 엄청난 반전이 기다리고 있으니 기대 잔뜩 해주시고 영상 감상 시작하시죠. 오늘도 누군가가 쫓기고 있죠. 오! 오렌지다.
That belly you're hearing? That means it's supper time. And boy, am I hungry.
헐.
The name's Orange.
와우.
Or at least, that's what they call me now. My real name is long forgotten. Just like everything else about who I was before.
CCTV.
I'm a whole nother animal now. Except for one thing. My hunger remains.
역대급으로 강렬한 등장이죠. 온갖 똥폼은 다 잡으면서 멋진 척하고 있는데 과연 오렌지는 어떤 과거를 가지고 있을지 역시나 음식과 관련이 있겠죠.
I was deceived by a lie,
Oh.
a promise of the greatest meal of all time. And now I found myself running for my life. I flew past the corner and found a box to hide in.
오! 저기 숨으면
Buddy, where are you?
블루가 못 찾죠.
Don't you want to be our friend? I had evaded blue. I thought I was in the clear. But green followed closely behind. You see, green was blind. But the second he got his fingers on you, you were done for. And unfortunately for me, he was right on my path.
그치.
I moved the box slowly, careful not to make a sound. But
나왔어요.
I couldn't see a thing. And I messed up.
뭐? 무슨 실수? 와우! 무섭다기보단 너무 귀여운데? 팔 유연해가지고 웨이브 댄스 잘 추는 거 보세요. 완전 부럽다잉? 눈이 안 보이니까 손을 저렇게 움직여가지고 주변에 있는 사물들을 식별하는 것 같죠? 아무튼 넌 딱 걸렸어.
Green grabbed me and brought me back to the lab. Green was a dutiful servant. To him, the man in charge. He
Red.
smiled at me, and I could tell then and there that he was pure evil. They tossed me in a machine, and as the motors whirred and the sparks flew, my body was full and stretched in every which way. The last thing I remember was a very bright light.
변했어.
My ears were ringing as my life flashed before my eyes.
과거
I got
이야기.
back to my life on the farm.
Kids, dinner's ready.
It was a simple life.
하나, 둘, 셋.
There were a lot
몇
of
명이야?
mouths to feed besides my own.
헐.
But we made do, as best as we could. Thing is, when everyone else had cleared their plates, I was left unsatisfied. I was still hungry. Mom was worried about me, but they didn't have the means to indulge my desires.
그치.
She reminded me that they had animals to feed too.
뭐야 저 장난꾸러기 표정은. 사고 칠만한 아이디어가 떠올랐을 때 보통 저런 표정을 짓거든요? 동물 사료 가지고 먹방 쇼 하는 건 아니겠지.
And this gave me an idea.
귀여워.
It wasn't dignified, I'll give you that. But I
손으로
couldn't
퍼먹어.
stop. My dad had caught me, and boy, did he let me have it. So I decided then and there, if I can't eat their food, I could always just eat them. It seemed as though I had gone too far. I didn't understand. I was being self-sufficient. My habit had gotten so bad in their eyes that they decided to send me off to boarding school. The first day started off very scary for me.
왜?
I was worried about being the odd one out. But then I realized I was huge, big,
Ooh.
and powerful. At the cafeteria, the lunch lady gave me a meager serving,
Wow.
and I devoured it all in one big old bite.
이 정도면 카메라 하나 구매해가지고 먹방 유튜브 찍어도 성공할 것 같죠. 재능은 확실히 있고 식탐까지 있으니 자아실현과 돈벌이를 동시에 할 수 있는 절호의 기회입니다.
Those guys offered up their own lunches
Whoa.
just to watch the spectacle, and I happily obliged. But I
먹방
don't think
찍었네.
the teachers liked this little loophole. But whether they were happy, I couldn't care less, because this was the happiest I had ever been. Until I found out the truth.
뭐야?
I thought they liked me for who I was. Turns out I was just a sideshow, a freak. They threw out names like Hungry Hungry Hippo and the Trash Compactor.
쓰레기차.
I had considered my gift to be something special about me, but turns out Everyone else thought it was just plain weird. Except, perhaps, for one girl.
여기서 갑자기 사랑 이야기로 넘어가나요? 근데 과거 이야기도 점점 지루하니까 얘랑 같이 살 빼고 훈련했다는 내용은 과감하게 자르도록 하겠습니다.
My family held a hot dog eating contest at the farm.
훈련해서
I
나간
sweat
거예요.
so hard that they had to travel 15 miles just to pick up more dogs. And it didn't stop there. News of my decisive victory
Ooh.
spread throughout the paper.
먹방
People
king.
wanted to watch me perfect my craft. I went from show to show, and I creamed them all. Anyways, throughout it all, the same girl tagged along. One day,
사랑이
I
싹
got a
드는
phone
거야.
call from the family that sent me away all those years ago.
Hello, honey. Your father and I saw you on the television again. You looked happy. But, son, you're not healthy. Please come home. We can help you work through your issues. We love you.
I couldn't believe what I was hearing.
왜?
I thought they might have called to beg me for money, sure, but this? What issues? I was fine. I was famous and big.
아이고 우리 금쪽이 많이 삐뚤어졌구나. 어렸을 때 먹여주고 재워주고 했던 건 하나도 기억 못하고 단지 기숙학교에 보내버렸다고 철천지 원수 보듯이 하고 있죠.
My friends saw me go off on my mother
헐.
in a fit of rage. I really let her have it. This was the final straw. She told me that she didn't like what I was turning into, that the fame had gotten to my head, that I was becoming a monster.
몬스터.
I showed her the door, and as she cried her tearful goodbye, I was already on the phone again, ordering myself a pizza. Until I caught a look at myself. In the mirror, I had become unrecognizable, even to myself. This continued on and on until I could no longer enjoy my meals. I was at rock bottom. This all changed when I got one more phone call.
전화?
Hello.
어?
Is this the world's largest
이 목소리는?
Not anymore. I'm retired. I can't eat like I used to.
Nonsense. You just haven't found the right meal yet. Not to worry. I have one to die for.
레드가 등장하니까 분위기가 싹 바뀌었죠. 갑자기 흥미로워지기 시작했는데 과연 어떤 방법으로 오렌지를 유혹해가지고 회사로 데리고 올지 궁금해지네요.
The man on the phone's offer intrigued me. And
뭐야?
like the fool I was,
바로
I
간다고?
arranged a meeting. I was met with the most lavish meal I'd ever laid eyes on. And it was all you could eat.
신났네.
Thoughts of my lost love faded away as I rekindled my joy of eating. I was in heaven. Something seemed off though. The two waiters were wearing
설마.
sheets over their heads, and one of them kept bumping into the table. I thought it must have just been some weird uniform, and maybe it was the clumsy one's first day, until it came time for dessert.
I hope you're ready, friend, because now it's time for your final treat. Or should I say, trick.
The waiters came to the side of the man and took off their coverings.
짜잔. 역시나 우리 모두의 예상대로 블루와 그린이었죠. 쟤네들 키랑 덩치가 압도적으로 큰데 먹는데 정신 팔려가지고 눈치 못 챈 네 잘못이다 오렌지야. 오렌지가 눈치 못 챈지 얼마나 오렌지.
They looked like they were going to eat me.
What's happening? Stay away.
I ran, and in that moment, I wished I had followed my friend's advice all those years ago. I was found by Green, put into the man's machine, and turned into Orange, the newest rainbow friend. During the transformation, my body rejected the years of mass that I had built up and expunged it, even as my form
오히려
became
좋아.
narrow and skinny. I was small now, the smallest of the rainbow friends. My pride would have been hurt, but all I knew in that moment was that I was hungry, hungrier than I had ever been. After that, they arranged feeding times. And if one were to ever be missed, an alarm would sound, and I would come running for a proper meal.
저는 바닥에 있는 저게 그냥 오렌지의 산책 경로 같은 건 줄 알았는데 사라진 음식을 찾아서 이동하는 경로였구나.
Unfortunately, most people were timely with their supper deliveries. Which brings us to today. One woman has finally forgotten to feed me, and now I'm nearly upon my first prey.
안 돼.
I got you now.
Please don't! I'm looking for my friend! Please!
어?
No, no, not you.
설마
Why did it have to be you? I can't help it. Forgive me.
그러지 마. 헐. 이렇게 끝나게 됩니다. 마지막에 나온 반전이 진짜 역대급이죠. 와, 오늘은 진짜 인정할 수밖에 없는 명작이네요. 어렸을 때부터 식탐이 가득했던 오렌지는 자신의 재능을 살려 먹방 대회 챔피언이 되었지만 불어나는 살을 주체할 수 없어 은퇴를 한 와중 레드의 전화를 받게 되었죠. 레드가 준비한 만찬 속에 숨겨진 함정에 걸려들어 결국 오렌지라는 프렌즈가 되어버리고 말았습니다. 이제는 퍼플의 과거만 남은 것 같은데 과연 게임툰지님은 어떤 반전 스토리를 보여줄지 기대해보면서 오늘의 영상 마무리하도록 하겠습니다. 그럼 안녕. 드디어 레인보우 프렌즈 최초의 빌런이 공개되었다고 합니다. 게임툰지님의 채널을 통해서 말이죠. 핵감놀 반전 엔딩이 기다리고 있으니 기대해주시고 오늘도 시청료로 따봉 부탁드리면서 영상 감상 시작하시죠. 블루가 도망치고 있죠. 헐? 저게 뭐야? 프렌즈들을 한 명씩 잡고 있는데? 잠깐만, 지금 한 마리의 캐릭터가 모든 프렌즈들을 죽이고 있죠. 실루엣만 봤을 때는 굉장히 낯선데 저 녀석의 정체는 과연 무엇일지. No! 오, 페인트? 들켰어. 안 된다. 그러지 마라. 뭐야?
Are we almost there yet?
According to this map, we should be there in a jiffy. No need to
가족인
worry.
것 같죠?
Actually, that makes me very worried. Put that thing away before you get us all killed.
Oh, right.
맵이 없냐? 지금 오드월드의 표지판이 반대로 되어 있죠. 레드가 레인보우 프렌즈 실험을 계획한 이후의 시점이라는 건데 이 사람들 중 한 명이 아까 그 괴물이 되는 건가?
Wow! It's beautiful!
Oddworld.
Ah, here we go.
거기 아닌데.
Hey, what are you doing? It was clearly straight ahead.
Nonsense. The sign said Oddworld was this way, and I always have to follow the signs.
맞긴
So my
해.
psychic says anyway.
Whoa! Did you see that?
봤어.
I'm scared!
I'm sure it was nothing, guys. Just
헐,
my head.
뭐야? 끌려갔어요.
Come on! She's a goner! And we will be too if we don't get out of here.
문득 든 생각인데 누나가 잡혀갔는데도 침착하게 그냥 튀자고 한다? 평소에 누나를 싫어했던 건 아닐까요? 너무 티난다 동생아. 도망치고 있죠.
There, up
Oh.
ahead.
거긴 안 된다.
We lost it. You guys okay?
Define.
왜?
Okay.
Huh?
귀엽네.
Hey, you alright, dude? You got a real Megamind thing going on with your head and...
다짜고짜 조합해버리네? 설마 죽은 거야?
This must be the thing that rushed towards us. Be ready for anything.
What did you say?
You can talk?
Yes, please forgive my appearance and my demeanor. I
뭐야?
have not been myself as of late and have become a bit hostile.
레드 왜 갑자기 착한 척 하는 거지? 블랙한테 두드러 맞고 정신 차린 건가? 아니면 이것도 연기인가요?
You think?
What is this place?
오,
What
살아있네.
was that thing outside and where to take our friend?
Yeah, and what's with all the black paint?
You have many questions, but I worry you will not be able to handle the truth.
Try us.
뭐야?
This is the Rainbow Friend play place. What's left of it anyway. Its halls used to be filled with laughter and joy, but now it's grown silent, aside from the screams.
You're right. Maybe we can't handle this.
겁먹었어.
Keep going.
I am known as Red, or the Red Rainbow Friend. My compatriots are blue, orange, and purple.
but I'm afraid they too have been taken by him.
Him? The thing that attacked us?
Yes, you see, that creature was the original Rainbow Friend.
블랙도 레인보우 프렌즈라는 말은 레드가 만들어낸 창조물 중 하나라는 건데 본인도 컨트롤하지 못할 괴물을 왜 만들어버린 거야?
Only instead of having color like the rest of us, he's made only of darkness.
What happened to him?
It's all my fault.
너 뭐 했어?
It all began many years ago. I was just a boy then. A silly boy with a silly dream, as my father put it.
What is this? Still wasting time with these doodles of yours, Newt?
Newt?
Named after the great scientist Isaac Newton. My mother's choice, of course.
Well, I asked you a question.
They're not doodles. They're my friends.
Ooh.
And someday, I'll make them real.
Your friends? This is worse than I thought. Your mother really did a number on you. And of course, she left me alone to deal with the consequences.
이혼한 건가?
And now you're crying. You see what this supposed creativity has done to you? It's turned you
저래?
into a blubbering whelp. Well, no son of mine is going to be some bleeding heart artist or egg-headed scientist. I'm going to set you straight.
아니 저기요 몬쉔겐 아저씨, 아이가 놀다 보면 낙서도 하고 그림도 그릴 수 있는 거지 그거 가지고 왜 이렇게 과민 반응합니까? 이런 애들 특징이 정작 자기가 어릴 땐 공부 하나도 안 했어요.
He didn't care about me, not truly. He only
그럴 것
wanted to
같아.
form me into what he considered the ideal son. But as I grew older, I knew that this perfect world he wanted for himself was just as pretend as my
아,
own
좀 슬프다
dream.
이건.
But mine didn't have to be.
어?
While I honored my father's wishes during the day, learning what I could about running a business, at night I devoted myself to science and the arts.
열정.
I myself on the color that existed outside of his sphere of influence.
연출이랑 표현이 예술적이죠. 아버지의 간섭에서 벗어나게 된 걸 삶의 색깔을 칠했다라고 표현하고 있네. 역시 게임 툰즈 완전 아트다잉.
All in secret, I worked long and hard and began building my dream.
블루를 그렸어.
Until finally, it had come true. I told my father that I was starting a business of my own. For the first time, my old man smiled at me until he saw what I had created.
헐.
My father wasn't pleased, but I decided to give him the tour anyway. We eventually made it to my laboratory. There I explained just how I was going to truly bring my friends to life.
오.
My father had heard enough. His perfect son was a disgrace, and
표정
thus
봐.
his legacy a
이거
lie.
표정.
He lunged at me,
헐.
but it wasn't ready
뭐야?
yet. It all happened so fast. My father's
저기
body
얘는?
twisted and mutated. He grew larger and larger as his skin gave way to a black mass. And
헐.
then the transformation was complete. He was the original Rainbow Friend, Black.
완전 멋있다. 근데 제 개인적인 생각으로는 아빠를 일부러 여기로 데려온 것 같아요. 이런 인체 실험은 위험성이나 부작용이 크니까 마음에 안 들었던 아빠를 없애버리려고 집어 넣어버린 거지.
Dad,
저?
Newt, what have you done to me?
오,
I didn't mean to.
You'll pay for this.
헐. 어? 부실공사 나오나요?
Black is your father?
Yes. For years I assumed he was dead. Until just yesterday, he resurfaced. The long time beneath the Earth's surface has driven him mad. And now
헐.
he only wants revenge.
That's awful.
Let us help you, Red.
We are no match for him. Our only hope is to hide, which is what the black paint is for. You see, in life, my father could only ever see the world in black and white. Nuance was lost on him, and the same applies now. So quickly, camouflage yourselves.
그냥 도망쳐라. 뭐야?
Blue, you're alive.
Red! Black's right behind me. We gotta move. Wait, who are these guys?
They're Black's next victims unless we all get out of here. Follow me. Quickly now, we should be able to.
오, 연출 지렸다. 너희들은 무대 위에 있는 꼭두각시일 뿐이다 라는 걸 보여줌과 동시에 조명을 쏴가지고 색깔이 더욱더 선명하게 드러나게 만들고 있죠.
Oh my god.
Oh, Rainbow friends, he's captured the ball. I'm tired of running. I'll take you on.
오,
No, wait!
용감해. 바로 햄주먹 펀치. 한 방에 썰렸어. 힘이 장사죠.
Father, stop this. You are no son of mine.
본격 아빠와 아들 싸움. 뭐야?
Did you guys see that?
Stepping into those colored lights hurt him.
Let's do this.
Your friends made you weak. And now that I've taken them from you, it's your turn.
검은색으로 칠하면 분명히 못 찾는다고 했던 것 같은데 굉장히 또렷하게 잘 보고 있죠. 자, 올라갑니다. 오?
The light, the colors, it burns.
It's working! Keep it up!
Of course.
자, 피했어요. 택배 상자 던지기 스킬. 와우. 셋 다 명중.
Nice try. Dad, this is for my friends.
헐. 사라졌죠.
It's over.
We did it.
So, Oddworld?
어? 뭐야? 이렇게 끝난다고? 아버지의 꼭두각시로 살아온 레드는 낮에는 사업을 물려받는 경영가로 밤에는 캐릭터들을 만들기 위한 과학자로 살았는데요. 자신의 계획을 아버지께 설명드렸으나 그는 납득하지 못했고 결국 첫 번째 레인보우 프렌즈 블랙이 되고 말았습니다. 하지만 슬프게도 그의 목숨을 앗아간 건 똑같은 괴물이 되어버린 그의 아들 레드였죠. 이렇게 해서 블랙의 탄생 영상이 마무리되었고요. 저는 다음 시간에 돌아오도록 하겠습니다. 그럼 안녕. 레인보우 프렌즈의 시크릿 빌런 핑크의 정체가 드디어 공개되었다고 합니다. 게임툰지님의 채널을 통해서 말이죠. 핑크의 정체가 기대되신다면 좋아요를 부탁드리면서 지금부터 영상 함께 감상하시죠. 초반부터 분위기 좋죠.
This
오?
place gives me the creeps.
Keep your eyes peeled, rookie.
오, 방금
We've had a dozen missing person reports, all leading back to this place.
Shouldn't we have more backup then?
Oh, I don't think that's going to be necessary.
오늘의 주인공 핑크가 시작하자마자 등장하네. 우리가 알고 있는 모습 그대로 툭 튀어나온 눈에 큰 입을 가지고 있죠. 핑크는 분명 무지개에는 없는 색인데 과연 정체가 무엇일지.
What the?
What the?
What are you?
Hold your fire, rookie.
She's right. Put that thing away,
Oh?
and I might just let you live.
Ma'am, we're with Bloxburg PD.
친절해.
I'd like you to calmly back away from that officer. Now.
Nah.
What? No!
헐! 한입 컷? 괴물이 코앞에 서 있는데 총 치우라고 명령하는 저 경찰이 문제죠. 자기 일 아니라고 안전불감증 제대로 걸렸네. 오! 먹었어.
No, rookie!
오! 뭐야?
There we go. Perfect.
실험실인데?
What is happening?
Only the most remarkable invention of all time. It's
헐.
what turned me into the beautiful specimen you see before you now.
그
You
말은?
mean you weren't always like that? What exactly happened to you?
오? 파워?
Well, I guess we have some time to kill. Allow me to tell you the whole story.
오!
My brother Blue and I were twins. We were identical in every way.
헐!
Except one key difference. I knew my parents
뭐야?
loved him more than me.
아, 이거 참 씁쓸하죠. 반사회적인 행동은 보통 결핍에서 오기 마련이거든요? 그것도 유년 시절에 결핍이 크게 작용하는데 핑크 같은 경우에는 부모님의 사랑이 결핍된 것 같죠.
Well, he got to go outside and play war and superheroes with his friends. I had to stay inside and play pretend with dolls and have stupid tea parties with mine. Well, One day I was just so sick of it.
Uh-huh.
They wanted me to act like a girl? Fine. I'd show them.
뭐야?
I took a bucket of pink paint and smothered my hair with it.
셀프 염색?
When my parents saw what I'd done,
염색 너무
they
잘
weren't
됐어.
happy. Unfortunately, it was clear that my little act of rebellion furthered the gap between us. I grew to resent him. Everything in life seemed to work out for my brother through no effort of his own, while he barely
꿀잠 자고 있죠?
steadied, goofing off and playing video games with his friends instead. I worked my butt off. It wasn't fair. Despite this, I ended up getting accepted to college. The
합격했어요.
years of not trying finally caught up to my brother, however, and he couldn't get it himself. In fact, he couldn't even find a
Oh.
job to pay his rent.
핑크야, 편애한 부모님이 잘못이지 오빠는 무슨 잘못이니? 한순간에 대학 진학 실패에 백수가 돼가지고 답답해하고 있을 텐데 쌍둥이 동생이 그냥 비웃고만 있죠. 아이들이 어릴 때 부모님의 역할이 이렇게나 중요합니다.
My parents hated me for it. How could I be so cruel to their
어,
beloved
또
son?
편애해.
My own brother. Just go, they said. And so I did. One day, as I was cramming for finals, I got a visitor to my dorm room.
어허?
It was Blue. He looked so happy to see me. He'd gotten a job. I was honestly surprised that anyone would hire him. The man offered him the job over the
레드잖아.
phone, on the spot. Of course he did. Months went by without hearing from my brother.
어허?
And I admit, I even started getting a little worried. Up until I got a phone call from my parents.
실종.
My brother had gone missing. He never returned from his first day on the job, and no one had seen him for months. Apparently, he didn't tell anyone about where he was working.
어허?
That is, except for me.
오.
The bond between twins is strong, even if they hate each other.
오.
I
결심했죠.
arrived at the building he'd gushed about all those months earlier, the Rainbow Friends Playplace.
굉장히 지루했던 과거 이야기가 드디어 끝나고 드디어 핑크가 레인보우 프렌즈 시설 안으로 들어왔죠. 어떻게 핑크가 괴물이 됐는지 빨리 알려달란 말이야. 소론이 너무 길어가지고 잠들 뻔했다고.
Goofy characters painted on the walls, vibrant, bright colors to engage children. It was almost too much. But there was something off-putting about its deserted halls as well. Something had happened there. Something bad. And
촉이 좋아요.
recent too, by the look of things. I readied myself to leave when I came face to face with my brother.
헐.
Only he wasn't my brother.
나야.
I ran and didn't stop running until I found myself in the very room we're in now.
그 실험실?
There stood another man, a scientist by the look of him. I thought I was safe from my nightmare before the man turned around and revealed that he was a monster too. As he approached, I stumbled backwards, directly
안돼.
into this machine. It was a painful experience.
오.
Changing your body's entire composition is no walk in the park.
단순히 외형만 변한 게 아니라 신체 구성도 변화됐다고 말하고 있죠. 레드나 블루를 보면 크기만 다르지 인간의 모습을 하고 있는데 핑크는 유독 눈도 튀어나오고 팔도 없는 등 외계인의 모습을 하고 있죠.
Although, you'll be finding that out soon enough. Anyways, after the smoke had cleared,
어허.
I stepped forward, and I could tell something had changed about me. I tried to look down at my hands,
보면 안
only
돼.
to realize that I couldn't. I didn't have any. Thankfully, Scientist Red was there to calm me down.
어?
He explained that I was hand-chosen to join the Rainbow Friends. That he knew my family were total jerks. And that his was too.
어, 맞아.
We bonded. And I was happy to find some semblance of belonging.
헐?
Who wasn't happy, however, was Blue. He entered the lab in a huff and shouted something unintelligible at us both. Red thought I could use some training with my new
훈련 상대?
body. I happily obliged. I was winning. I was beating my brother.
핑크
at
발차기.
something. Not so perfect now.
핑크 목 조르기.
Oh, yeah, I thought. But something seemed off. I could tell he was holding me back.
핑크
This only
레그키
made me more angry.
아주 그냥 제대로 엇나가 버렸네. 신체가 변하면서 마음까지 악하게 변해버린 것 같죠. 오빠가 참고 있는 것 같으면 너도 마음을 고쳐 먹어야지. 더 신나가지고 뚜까 패는 건 좀 그렇잖아.
I tried to unleash my hatred upon him. He
빤스런.
managed to run away before I could do some real damage. He's been avoiding me ever since. Until today, when he came to try to save you. But he failed again.
I wasn't trying to save her. I was trying to save you from yourself.
As if you always hated me. Treated me like garbage. You thought you were better than me. You never let me have anything for myself.
아니야.
Is that how you remember it? Pink, I loved you, and I still do.
What?
It's true that our parents played favorites when we were younger, and I'm sorry for that. But don't you remember?
뭐?
I played with you every chance I got. I even helped you paint your hair pink.
헐.
Later, I knew you were struggling in school, so I helped you study. I remember one night you had a math exam, and I stayed up so late with you that I missed my SATs the next morning. I never did make it into college because of that, but I was so happy when you did. My perfect sister.
이거 너무 슬픈 이야기죠. 사실 블루는 착한 오빠였고 핑크도 무난무난한 동생이었는데 부모님의 편애 때문에 피해의식이 생겨가지고 기억이 왜곡되는 사태에 이르렀죠. 안타깝다.
Be more proud of the woman you have become. I love you.
오.
Is that true? Of course it is. Blue, I'm sorry. I love you too. How could I ever forget that?
Don't blame yourself. It's this machine. It
그래.
twists your memories. It tries to turn them against you, to make you into the perfect friend that he wants you to be.
레드를 잡아.
Well then, we can't let it happen again.
그래.
I'm so sorry about earlier, officer. I wasn't myself.
착해.
I'm glad you had a change of heart and all, but can we mourn later? But now, please, just get me out of this thing.
Of course. Let me just...
100%야.
Oh, I'm afraid it's much too late for that.
오. 완벽한 타이밍.
We're too late.
이렇게 끝나게 됩니다. 핑크는 블루의 쌍둥이 동생이었고 실종된 오빠를 구하기 위해 레인보우 프렌즈 시설에 들어왔다가 레드의 새로운 실험 대상이 되어 기형적인 모습을 가진 레인보우 프렌즈 핑크로 변해버리고 말았죠. 마지막에는 새로운 빌런 브라운의 탄생과 함께 프렌즈 간의 본격적인 갈등을 알리면서 영상이 종료됐는데 다음 시간에 어떤 애니메이션이 나오게 될지 굉장히 기대가 되네요. 오늘 준비한 영상은 여기까지고요. 그럼 다음에 만나요. 안녕. 레인보우 프렌즈 속 잊혀진 빌런 그레이의 과거와 비밀이 드디어 공개되었다고 합니다. 게임툰즈님의 채널을 통해서 말이죠. 오늘도 역시나 시청료로 좋아요 부탁드리면서 지금부터 감상 시작하시죠.
The main rainbow friends are exactly what you would expect. Brightly colored creatures that all get along as pals. Sure, there may have been a few incidents here and there where they may have fought, but even the closest of brothers do that occasionally.
맞는
For the
말이야.
most part, blue, orange, green, and purple have been best buds since they were transformed from humans. But what if I told you there was one rainbow friend in particular
레드?
that they always hated? Someone that was never loved or invited to their various parties. I know what you're thinking. It's probably Red, right? While it's true Red is hated by the Rainbow Friends now, he had plenty of opportunities to be accepted by the group. It's his
그럴 수
own
있겠다.
fault he chose to destroy and deceive at every possible turn. And even now, if he was to ask for forgiveness, they would probably forgive all the bad
맞는
things
말이죠.
he's done. No, this is the story of a rainbow friend no one knows or cares about. The rejected rainbow friend, Gray.
아무도 몰랐던 프렌즈 그레이가 등장했습니다. 생긴 건 거미 혹은 개미와 비슷한데 얘는 무지개색이 아니어가지고 프렌즈들의 외면을 받은 걸까요? 상식적으로 무채색이 무지개 모임에 가면 안 되죠.
To fully understand his sad tale, we must go back to where it all began. Back before he was the hideous ant-like monster he is today.
그래 보자.
Gary Grayson seemed like a very
Gary
normal
Grayson.
child growing up. He was polite to his parents and got good grades in school. He
에이플.
was very healthy for his age and loved to spend time outdoors. On top of that, he always had a fascination with animals. But unlike the other kids, who enjoyed learning about all
코뿔소.
sorts of large zoo creatures or ancient
공룡.
dinosaurs, Gary
아니고.
was only interested in one very specific region of the animal kingdom: bugs. His
아.
obsession started off small, with a simple butterfly fluttering through the air. But quickly he wanted to learn about every insectoid he could. Bees, centipedes, ladybugs. If it buzzed in the air or crawled on the ground, Gary had to know more about it.
이건 좋아하는 수준을 넘어서 곤충과 하나가 된 거 아닌가요? 아니, 누가 곤충 좋아한다고 저렇게 몸에 곤충들을 둘둘 감고 다닙니까? 심지어 벌이랑 사마귀는 위험한데도 말이죠. 이건 게임 툰즈가 너무 나갔다.
He would spend multiple hours a day after school looking for new specimen to study. When he found something, he'd collect them in jars, like a prized trophy.
귀여워.
Proud of his discoveries, he would try to show off to the other children.
하지마.
They did not share Gary's enthusiasm for bugs, however.
에헤이.
In fact, they all found them yucky and unpleasant to look at. Some of the meaner boys would take his bugs and
헐.
squash them under their feet.
이건 아니지.
They'd call him names like Gross Gary or Bug Boy and would shove him to the ground.
If you like insects so much, you should just stay down in the dirt with
어우, 저
them.
잼민이들.
Yeah, they're your only real friends, bug boy.
울지마.
In a strange way, however, without their bullying, he may not have discovered his most favorite insect of all, the mighty ant. They
Kenny.
were everything Gary wished he was, both super strong for their size and constantly surrounded by friends and family. You see, while Gary's social life wasn't particularly good, his home life was
헐.
actually worse. His parents fought all the time, screaming and yelling at each other at the top of their lungs.
왜 맨날 빌런들은 친구들한테 괴롭힘 당하고 가족들은 싸우는지 궁금해하실 수 있는데 어떻게 보면 당연한 겁니다. 저런 상황 속에 놓여 있으니까 결국 빌런이 되는 거예요. 불쌍한 우리 게리 결국 삐뚤어지겠구만.
You can't keep supporting Gary's weird obsession with bugs. It's creepy and weird.
엄마는
And
이해
all
못하고
the kids
일단.
hate him for it. I mean, he's a freak. We should take him to the Rainbow Friends play place like a normal boy.
He's not interested in that stuff, and I don't want our son to be friends with bullies anyways. If learning about insects makes him happy, we should let him.
아빠는 게리 편.
Eventually, the two had to split up. The mom and dad just couldn't agree on anything, and he had to move out. And since his dad was in the army, he was gone for long periods of time. With his father out of the picture, Gary was forced to give up his bug collection.
안 돼.
It was all he really ever cared about. Gary wasn't even allowed to talk about bugs.
왜?
If he did, his mom would make him do all sorts of difficult chores.
If you want to talk about ants so much, then you must not mind working as hard as an ant.
Gary was miserable. But whenever his dad was back in Bloxburg, Gary got to stay at his house. Gary would look forward to it for months.
Remember, absolutely no mention of insects of any kind. You hear me?
No bug talk. Got it.
방금 윙크하는 거 보셨나요? 이게 아빠지. 엄마 앞에서는 엄마 편인 척 하다가 사라지면 바로 아들이 원하는 거 다 들어주겠죠. 그렇다고 무조건 엄마가 나쁘다는 건 아닙니다. 오해하지 마세요.
Luckily for Gary, his dad didn't
선물?
care about what mom thought. He just wanted to make his boy happy.
I got this for you, buddy. You can open it, but we gotta keep it here at my place. It'll be our little secret.
It was the best present Gary could have asked for, his very own ant farm. Every time he was able to visit his dad, he would examine it for hours. Unfortunately, Gary was only able to visit his dad when he wasn't off fighting in the war. At one time, he never returned. He was the only one that was ever truly nice to Gary. The only
된다.
person supportive that didn't make him feel like a loser. To
이럴 수
make matters
없다.
even worse, it meant that his mom was finally able to find the ant farm, and she was furious.
헐.
I can't believe you, Gary! All these years, you've been lying to me? When will you get over this
덩어리
stupid
아니야.
bug stuff and just grow up? It's time to teach you a lesson
뭐?
once and for all.
엄마 손에 지금 불붙은 성냥이 있죠. 이건 선 넘는 거 아닙니까, 어머님? 아빠 때문에 안 그래도 괴로워가지고 그네 타면서 마음 정리하고 있는 애한테 무슨 짓이야 이게. 그거 당장 내려놔. 그러지 마.
The mom
하지
took
마.
the ant farm outside and smashed it to smithereens. She poured gas on the rubble and lit it on fire. It broke Gary. He felt like he had no real family left. He was now all alone in this world. Eventually, though, the years passed,
Oh.
and he was finally old enough to move out. He decided, against the wishes of his mother, to pursue his passion of entomology. His good grades helped him get into one of the most prestigious colleges in all of Roblox.
이래서 공부를
It was
잘해야 돼요.
everything he could have ever dreamed of. There were bug species neatly organized all over the room, surrounded by magnifying glasses, microscopes, and other testing equipment. Gary could spend all day and night studying. Even better, he was finally around other people that shared his same love of insects. His first human friends. And that's all he needed to be happy for the first time in a long time. Sure, he didn't have much to his name, just a small dorm room and a new ant farm, just like the one his dad got him all those years ago.
그러네.
But that's all he wanted. Unfortunately, going to a fancy college was far from cheap, and Gary didn't have a job. He never really got much experience in high school, so he was desperate for anything that had decent pay. That's when he saw it. An ad for a job at the Rainbow Friends Play Place.
그건 안 된다. 당장 넘기고 뒤에 있는 거 보라고. 평범한 알바 전단지가 아니야 그거. 그나저나 전단지는 참 예쁘게 만들었네. 인형 탈 쓰고 놀기만 하면 되는 꿀알바인 것 같은 느낌이 들죠. 그래서 그거 시급 얼마입니까?
Gary remembered his mother talking all about it as a kid. Surely it'd be a good spot to make some cash. So he called the number.
Hello? Is this the Rainbow Friends Play Place?
대머리 왕눈이.
Yes, it is. Are you inquiring about the position that just became available?
Yeah. But the ad doesn't say what I'd be doing or how much I'd be making, and...
Well, why don't you give us a visit, and I'll go over all the details.
안 된다.
Suddenly, the line went dead, and Gary hung up.
하지 마라.
He was nervous. He leaned over to his ant farm and picked up some of his friends.
Alright, guys. Wish me luck. I feel like I'm going to need it.
I'm sure you can imagine what happens next. Gary drove to the play
뻔하지
place
뭐.
and found the place looking trashed and abandoned. He knew it seemed risky to enter, but he was just so desperate for money. He couldn't let his dream die, so he went inside.
근데 게리도 참 속 터진다 속 터져. 편의점 알바, PC방 알바 등등 전문성 없이도 할 수 있는 알바들이 많은데 굳이 거길 들어가냐.
He walked through the various halls, searching for Red's office, or anyone really.
Hello?
Hello?
Is anyone there?
Is anyone there?
When suddenly, down the hallway, a light from one of the labs
하지
turned
마.
on. Gary cautiously stepped inside to find a strange contraption whirring to life.
What is this place?
Why, it's your new home.
Huh?
어? 바로 잡혔죠.
But what neither Red or Gary realized was that one of Gary's ants was still on him.
What? No, what have you become? Some kind of bug?
그러고 보니 옐로우도 인간과 오리가 같이 섞여가지고 그런 모습으로 나왔었잖아요. 두 생명체가 동시에 실험을 당하게 되면 둘이 합쳐진 융합체가 나오게 되는 거구나. 그래도 옐로우는 귀여웠는데 넌 좀 징그럽다.
No child would want to come pay money to see a disgusting creature like you.
맞는
Get out of
말이야.
my sight.
Gray wanted to run away, to return
요게
to his
최악이죠.
studies, but he knew that Red was right. If no one liked him when he was younger, they certainly weren't going to accept him now. His only hope to fit in was with the other rainbow friends, blue, orange, green, and purple. But even they were disgusted by him. They laughed at his lack of colors, at his insect-like appearance. They called him names and wouldn't even invite him to their parties.
Sorry,
인종차별
pal,
아닙니까,
but Gray
이거?
isn't a part of any rainbow I'm aware of. Get lost, you bug-eyed freak!
그러지 마라.
Crawl back to whatever hole in the ground you came from. Yeah.
And so he did. Maybe one day the others will accept Gray for who he is. They'll see that they've now become the bullies that used to pick on all of them. But until then, Gray will hide away in his tiny bunker, hidden away from everyone else as the rejected rainbow friend.
이렇게 끝나게 됩니다. 학비를 벌기 위해 알바에 참여했던 평범한 소년이 레드의 계략에 속아 실험을 당하게 되는데 몸속에 있던 개미까지 같이 변하게 되면서 끔찍한 형태의 그레이가 탄생하게 되었죠. 그의 흉측한 외모 때문에 레인보우 프렌즈들마저 그레이를 반겨주지 않았는데 분노는 결국 복수를 낳는 법 아니겠습니까? 그레이의 화려한 변신과 복수를 기대하면서 오늘의 영상 마무리하도록 하겠습니다. 그럼 안녕. 스키비디 토일렛 시리즈 속 최강 빌런 중 하나인 빅TV맨의 새로운 능력이 드디어 공개됐다고 합니다. 게임툰지님의 채널을 통해서 말이죠. 레인보우 프렌즈도 얽혀있다고 하는데 어떤 일인지 기대되신다면 좋아요 하나 부탁드리면서 바로 영상 감상하시죠. 카메라맨 군단과 토일렛 군단의 전쟁? 전기톱을 장착한 카메라맨이네? 레이저 공격에 부서지고 많은 빌딩들. 오, 카메라맨의 패배인가? 오, 뭐야, 옐로우의 얼굴이 카메라맨으로 변해버렸네? 어떻게 바뀌었는지에 대한 설명은 전혀 없고 옐로우 본인도 얼굴이 바뀌었다는 걸 인지하고 있는 것 같은데 도대체 무슨 일이 일어났던 거야?
Those toilets are way stronger than I expected. Hopefully, if I stay up here.
오! 레이저 맞았어.
Yellow, no.
시안도 변했네?
You okay?
Oh no.
We're dropping like flies.
흡수 당하고 토일렛들이 진격하고 있죠.
Before I end up like
설마
them. You monsters!
오!
You're destroying the city and
보스
destroying
토일렛인가?
humanity right along with it. You may be bigger than us and stronger than us, but we're gonna take you
요.
down. You
헐?
Blue? What are you doing?
Isn't it obvious? We're on the winning
우와,
team.
블루랑 오렌지는 토일렛으로 변해버렸구나. 카메라맨 군단이 지고 있으니까 재빨리 토일렛 쪽에 붙은 것 같죠. 저 정도 눈치는 있어야 살아남을 수 있는 거지.
But they're attacking the town. Why would you join them?
I could ask you the same thing.
어? 뭐야,
But I cleaned the toilets
과거로 온 것
last
같은데?
week. And I did them the week before. It's your turn.
Oh, cry me a river. I'm not risking getting my evil genius hands dirty by doing
오,
them
저거.
myself. Now off you go. And don't mix too many of the cleaners. They're all highly potent
화학약품?
chemicals.
화장실을 청소하러 온 것 같죠?
Toilet brush. Toilet brush.
호흡이 딱딱 맞네.
Rag. Rag.
오,
Bleach. Bleach. Will you knock it off already?
어?
Sorry.
왜?
I think you flush this and it cleans it or something. Works for me.
어? 표백제를 붓는다고? 뭐야?
Jeez, that's some strong
Oh?
bleach.
That's not bleach, you idiot. You must have mixed it up with... Where's my wormhole potion?
헐. 웜홀은 다른 차원으로 가는 구멍이니까 지금 변기에 스키비디 세계관으로 가는 포탈이 열리게 된 것 같죠. 보통 저런 건 레드가 강제로 열었었는데 이번엔 오렌지가 제대로 사고 쳤네.
Did you flush it down the toilet?
오, 빨려 들어 갑니다. 꼈습니다. 오,
I have to get out of here.
뭐야? 레드까지 빨려 들어간다고? 아까 레드는 없었는데?
This is disgusting.
Ugh,
Look what you've
똥물이야.
done, you buffoons. I told you I didn't want to clean the toilets.
Guys?
왜? 헐.
We come in peace?
둘러싸였어. 오, 묶였네.
You'll pay for this. I demand to see your leader.
It could be worse. At least it's clean toilet water.
Still gross. I am very respected in my universe. If I don't see your leader now, I'll... Are you the head toilet here?
Hello? Can you hear
무서워.
us?
Let us go!
뭐 하려는 거야? 왜 내렸어? 오,
How dare you!
토일렛 안쪽으로 빨려 들어가죠. 와우. 이렇게 해서 레인보우 토일렛이 탄생하게 된 거구나. 표정을 보아하니 블루랑 레드는 불만족인데 오렌지는 나름 만족하고 있는 것 같죠.
No! What have you done to us?
오, 보스다.
Whoa.
This is insane!
본능적으로 알 수
Are you
있죠.
The leader?
Welcome, my newest victims.
환각.
newest soldiers.
What the? What could
뭐야?
that have been? Another red experiment?
얘네는 아직 안 변했죠.
Find out.
I'm not going in there.
We can check the security cams.
Oh, jeez.
시설이
We
엉망이
might
됐어.
need a plumber.
I think it's worse than that. Look!
What is that?
오몰.
Oh my god! Ew!
How did that happen? If water got through the screen, what about...
Yellow,
뭐야?
run before.
TV에도 오몰이 생겼어. 방금 뒤에 초대형 TV 아니었나? 아무튼 옐로우와 시아는 카메라맨 군단의 기지로 와버렸죠. 이러면 레인보우 프렌즈 시즌 1 대 시즌 2의 대결인데 최종 승자는 누가 될까요?
I...
Get them!
What the heck are you people? Where are your heads?
Where are your arms?
오,
Okay, that's fair.
Where are we? I don't think this
뒤에
is our universe.
TV맨이야.
I'll tell you where you are. You're in a war-torn land.
War-torn?
Perhaps you haven't heard.
This city has been at war for a long time now.
We used to be a peaceful city.
그치.
It was almost boring. Nothing ever happened.
It was a horrible
어?
place.
It was a beautiful time.
보스 토일렛이랑 카메라맨이 과거 설명을 같이 하고 있는데 둘의 기억이 완전 반대죠. 토일렛은 끔찍했다고 하고 카메라맨은 아름다웠다고 하는데 무슨 일이 있었던 거야?
I dealt with the constant torment of humankind. Cursed to live as this toilet.
그것도 아주 끔찍한 저주지.
Forever mocked by these stupid humans. So I began to
빨려
eat
들어갔어.
the playing field.
Things were fine until that horrible toilet
인간
showed up.
입장에서도 고통입니다 이건.
Eventually, I amassed a large enough group of like-minded individuals to make a public statement.
공식적인
Then
활동?
used them all to attack.
I realized just how powerful I was, and that if
서로의
I
입장이
gained a
반대죠.
powerful enough army, I could take over the world, make humanity pay for how they treated me.
I knew he would destroy the world if no one stopped him.
그치.
So I formed an underground resistance.
아, 그게
How we
카메라맨이겠지
became
뭐.
cameraheads is a long story. But
Huh?
together, we formed a militia to oppose the toilets. It's been a vicious battle.
A battle I am determined to win.
We win some,
오,
we lose many.
The resistance is futile.
사실
and they
이길 수
know it.
없지.
But their army grows every day, so we must do the same.
They grow stronger every battle, and we're
Yo.
doing everything we can to keep up.
투지.
Want us to join your army? But we hardly know what's going on.
You don't have a choice. Join us or die.
Join you it is then. You know, I'm actually a bit of an evil overlord myself.
오.
I think I could prove to be very useful to your empire.
역시 레드가 상황 판단이 빠르죠. 협박 때문에 합류하는 게 아니라 내가 원해서 하는 거고 분명 쓸모 있을 거라는 말을 전함으로써 부하가 아니라 동등한 위치에서 돕겠다는 의지를 표명한 겁니다. 대단해.
Good.
만족하는 보스 토일렛.
That's horrible. He's destroying the city.
Back home, Red is constantly trying to
그치.
oppress us too. We're always resisting.
So you'll join our cause.
Absolutely.
오,
Then it's time to perform the ritual.
의식? 무슨 의식? 오, TV맨. 헐, 빅 TV맨이야.
Diane, I don't like the look of this.
Brace for impact.
뭔데? 오, 하얀색 빛을 쏩니다. 시안과 옐로우가? 와우! 빅 스크린의 능력 덕분에 변신하게 되죠. 실제로 TV맨들의 스크린은 토일렛 마비 능력, 눈을 멀게 하는 능력 등 여러가지 특수 능력을 가지고 있었잖아요. 어쩌면 빅 TV맨은 카메라맨들을 생성할 수 있는 능력을 가지고 있고 그 덕분에 카메라맨 군단이 생겼을 가능성도 있죠.
Now let's get out there.
And destroy them.
전쟁이야.
Skibidi!
스키비디!
Get a taste of your own medicine.
약 먹을 시간? 오! 특수 능력으로 조준 사격? 한 번에 네 마리 끝장내고 박치기 하고 몸빵 하고 막상 막하야. 아니네.
Diane, it's been fun.
토일렛의 승리인 것 같죠?
We have to get back to our own world.
Not interested.
오, 이젠 레드가 웃는 모습만 봐도 웃기네. 자신만만하게 튀어나오는 거 보니까 비장의 무기 같은 게 있을 것 같죠. 눈에서 레이저가 나갈 것 같진 않고 어떤 비겁한 꼼수를 준비한 거지.
You see, I joined the Skibbity Toilets because the leader promised me a place in his new regime
헐.
if I helped destroy the resistance. And look around you. We
귀신
did.
때렸네?
You'll never destroy us. We'll always come back.
Here's the thing. Even if you do, we will pound you into the ground. Because I have a new world order in mind. One where I am in control. I'm
리더?
far smarter than these normal toilets. I plan to topple the leader and become the new
합체한다고?
Skibbity Toilet.
오,
What the?
You dare try to
다 들었어.
me? I will destroy all you rainbow freaks.
All of us?
Not likely, pal.
What's happening?
Yellow, it's time to fight.
레드는 도망치고.
Wait, leave it to me.
와우, 물 내리니까 보스가 죽고 워몰이 열렸네? 돌아간다. 오. 이렇게 끝나게 됩니다. 솔직히 레드가 토일렛 편에 들겠다고 선언했을 때 새로운 세계관이 열리는 줄 알고 조금 기대했거든요? 하지만 현실은 허무 엔딩이었죠. 그래도 보스 토일렛인데 물 내린다고 죽는 건 너무하는 거 아니야? 아무튼 전 다음 시간에 더욱더 재미난 영상으로 돌아오도록 할게요. 그럼 안녕. 레인보우 프렌즈의 영원한 빌런 레드가 또 한 번 대형 사고를 쳤다고 합니다. 자연계의 능력을 건드렸다고 하던데 오리지널 영상은 게임툰즈님의 채널에서 확인해 주시고 시청료로 좋아요 부탁드리면서 바로 영상 감상하시죠. 오, 뭐야?
Are you sure this is gonna work?
오렌지가 묶여있죠.
Oh, don't worry. The power you'll be granted is worth all the potential life-threatening side effects you may experience.
Wait, what?
설마 저게
Here we go. Hold on
자연계의
tight.
능력인가? 자, 갑니다. 어? 알로 돌아가는 건가? 뭐지? 오,
Orange?
실패한 것 같은데?
Orange, can you hear me? Did it work? Do you feel
죽은 거
any
아니지? 오, 헐. 어?
It worked. It worked. Orange, I've given you one of the strongest
성공했다고?
elemental powers. I've given you fire.
아, 저는 실험에 실패해가지고 오렌지가 불타고 있는 건 줄 알았는데 화염 그 자체 자연계의 능력을 갖게 된 거죠. 이거 완전 파일이잖아. 그렇다면 여기서 과연 다른 프렌즈들은 어떤 능력을 갖게 될지 예상해 보는 것도 재미있겠죠.
One word. Money. You see, Orange.
돈에
never
제대로
fully
미쳤죠.
adapt to our unfortunate financial downturn. We need to have something that old world doesn't, and that's magic. Or science that looks like magic, in the form of a circus act. Soon, all the Rainbow Friends will be injected with special elements
저
and
마법으로
abilities.
돈 버는 데
Now be
쓴다고.
rich.
I don't know. Do you think everybody will agree to that?
They aren't going to have a choice.
왜?
I'm going to give them these powers whether they like it or not, and you're going to help.
Me? Why do you need me?
도와주지 마.
You fool! I would never be able to lure them to my lab for this procedure.
저건 맞는
Believe it
말이죠.
or not, the others are too smart for that.
Hey!
Take this. It's a special laser gun. If you shoot the others with this, you'll imbue them with the powers of the elements as well.
And why should I do that?
Because I'm much bigger and
Whoa.
stronger than you, Orange. And I'm not giving you any other options.
덩치로 밀어붙이면서 협박하고 있는 것 같은데 오렌지가 아무리 멍청하다고 해도 여기에 속아 넘어가진 않겠지. 지금 오렌지는 화염의 힘을 가진 파일이기 때문에 레드와 싸우면 무조건 이기죠.
Whatever you say, boss.
Now
뭐야?
go get them. And whatever you
충성.
do, don't shoot them twice. It'll remove all of their
두 번
powers for good.
쏘지 말라고? 이러면 꼭 두 번 쏘는 일이 생기더라.
How the heck does this thing even work? Orange? What is that?
어? 첫 번째 목표 말없이 쏴버리기.
You. I'm trying to help you. Help me do what? Get shot by a laser? If so, then I'm not interested.
눈에 불
I've
켜고
been
쏘고
given the
있네.
ultimate power, Purple. Let me give that gift to you. No chance.
잘 피하죠.
There's no way I can catch up to him. He knows those vents like the back of his hand. But maybe I can force him out.
뭐 어떻게? 오! 벤트에 불을 쏴서? 와우! 오렌지 작전 대박이죠. 오렌지 무식하다고 놀려댔던 레드 딱 나와. 지능적으로 퍼플을 벤트 밖으로 빼내는 거 너는 못하잖아. 근데 오렌지야, 아까 레드가 협박할 때는 왜 불꽃 발사 안 하고 이제 하냐? 이런 멍청한 친구를 봤나? 잡았죠?
Orange, how could you? I could have died in there. You'll thank me later.
맞는 말일 수도 있어요. 자, 과연 퍼플은 어떤 능력이 생기게 될지.
Why do I feel
비누방울? 뭐야?
now you have poison powers?
독이래.
You're welcome. This is incredible.
What's happening? You guys look kind of funny.
블루
Is something
등장.
going on?
Get up.
오늘 재밌다. 열심히 도망가고 있죠.
I don't know what's wrong with those guys, but I've got the feeling Red's got something to do with it.
확실히 블루가 상황 판단이 빠르죠. 얘도 예전에 사고를 하도 많이 쳤다 보니까 본능적으로 오렌지가 이상하다는 걸 간파하고 빤스런해 버리네요. 레드가 왜 오렌지부터 능력을 줬는지 이제야 알았다.
I need to stop them before they can get to me and Green.
독.
Orange, you don't
Whoa.
have to do this. Don't listen to Red.
You'll thank me later.
고마워할걸? 곰이야 뭐야? 자연계 곰이 있나요?
My stomach hurts.
투명해졌는데?
Whoa! I can shoot water? This is
물
awesome.
속성.
I made you even stronger than you were before. Now we've only got one person left to turn.
Love me a good ball pit, like a hot tub made of plastic.
와우.
It's nice to finally get some alone time. Just me and
모르고 있죠. 방심할 때 쏴버리기. 근데 그린의 능력은 뭐 보나마나 뻔하겠죠. 호호호.
Green, now you have the power to control plants and nature.
자, 이렇게 해서 프렌즈들이 가지게 된 4가지 자연계의 속성이 공개됐죠. 오렌지는 화염, 퍼플은 독, 블루는 물, 그린은 자연인데 여러분들은 어떤 능력이 가장 마음에 드시나요? 전 오렌지의 화염이 가장 갖고 싶네요.
This is amazing.
And now that we've got all our powers, it's time to go back to Red and show him.
Huh? What are you talking about?
It was Red's idea for a new show at the play place.
So he's just using us as pawns again.
Well, I guess technically, but
Then why would we listen to him?
we've
맞아.
super strong powers and he doesn't. We could overpower him easily.
맞는
And use
말이죠?
our powers however we want, not just to be some circus freaks. You're afraid of him, aren't you?
Well, yeah. You don't have to be anymore. You alone might be able to take him down with your fire powers. But all of us combined, he doesn't stand a chance.
이래서 레드가 허점 투성이라는 겁니다. 자기보다 강한 상대를 협박하려면 약점을 쥐고 있어야 되거든요. 괜히 영화에서 악역들이 주인공 가족들 납치하고 그러는 게 아니에요. 지금 내가 무슨 소리를 하는 거야?
What the?
자, 레드가
Oh no.
분위기 파악을 하고 있죠.
Well, Orange, I see you've completed your task. With some unorthodox methods, but
아직
nonetheless,
몰라요.
brava. So, is everyone happy with their new powers?
눈웃음.
Guys, what's happening?
You don't have control over us anymore, Red.
What are you talking about? Do you not remember our conversation? I'm in charge here, Orange, and
We're stronger than you are, Red. We don't have to listen to a thing you say.
Yeah, we're more than a little circus freak show you can make money off of. You're not the boss of us now. My friends, please don't need to
바로
be
태세
angry.
전환.
I was thinking we could all work together with your new powers. I'm not greedy. Look at it this way. If we make more money, I can spend it on things for you.
Oh.
Events, well, we'll have to replace the ball pit. And how do donut Sundays sound?
땡기는데?
Guys? Let me go this instant. You'll regret it if you don't.
이게 다 레드가 뿌린 업보 아니겠습니까? 맨날 말도 안 되는 거짓말로 프렌즈들을 속이려 하니까 얘들도 진절머리가 나가지고 이젠 더 이상 속지 않죠. 레드는 특별히 총 2번 쏴가지고 능력을 평생 갖지 못하게 만들어 드려라.
I'd stop ordering us around unless you want to face
협박
off.
좋아.
Come on, guys. Let's ditch him.
These vines are
불길한데.
stronger than I expected. Must have done a great job on the element gun. Good evil genius, Red. Too bad it's coming back to bite me.
총을 놓고 갔어.
Alright, let's see what this baby can do.
자, 과연 레드의 능력은 무엇일지. 소용돌이?
Mind control psychic powers, huh? I don't mind that at all. And I know just how to use them.
이건 좀 위험하다. 하필 레드에게 자연계에서 가장 강력한 능력인 초능력이 생겨버렸네. 하늘도 날 수 있고 다른 자연계 능력도 컨트롤할 수 있을 거 아니야. 이거 진짜 큰일 났다. 아무것도 모르고 있죠.
Attracting customers when the place looks like this. I always thought this place could use a little greenery. Yeah, he can't make any money if no one can even come in.
Let's work it. That'll show him. Now let's see if
지켜보고
my
있네.
mind control powers can work from all the way over here.
All right, gang. Everybody's gonna start listening to me now.
지금 조종 당하고 있죠.
I'm our new leader. Since it was me
눈이
who gave
바뀌었어.
us all our powers.
We don't need a leader. And if anyone
얘도
should be
바뀌었어.
leader, it should be me.
Oh, really? I'd like to see you try.
Exactly what I want. Take each other out.
사실 초능력을 가지고 있기 때문에 혼자서 싹 다 무찌를 수 있거든요. 하지만 레드가 이러는 이유? 싸움 구경이 꿀잼이니까. 그것도 날 싫어하는 4명이 서로 싸운다? 바로 팝콘이랑 콜라 각이지.
Take that, you little jerk.
물은 물한테 약하죠.
Not on my watch.
상성 공격.
Who's the boss now?
오. 퍼플이 이겼네?
Looks like I'm the most powerful of all. Not even Red stands a chance against. Huh? What?
I knew you fools were no match for me after all.
바로
All
염동력.
I had to do was turn you on each other. And your own powers destroyed you.
Joke's on you. They'll wake up soon, and there's more of us than there are of you.
That may be true, Pendle. But whatever will you do without your powers?
Without.
총을 한 번 더 쏘면
No, my
능력을
powers, they're gone.
영원히 잃죠?
There we go. The natural order has been restored. Though I do quite like my psychic powers. Maybe I should keep them for
아직
a bit,
몰라.
just to try it out. Then it won't matter what the other Rainbow friends do to try and stop me. They'll be
자,
under my control
갑니다.
always.
나.
No! No, my powers!
이렇게 끝나게 됩니다. 목숨을 건 실험을 통해 프렌즈들에게 자연계의 능력을 부여할 수 있게 된 레드는 오렌지에게는 화염, 퍼플에게는 독, 블루에게는 물, 그린에게는 자연을 주고 자신은 최강 능력인 초능력을 얻게 되었는데 순간 방심한 틈을 활용한 퍼플의 반격으로 결국 모두 원래대로 돌아오고 말았죠. 오랜만에 정말 재밌는 에피소드가 나온 것 같은데 다음에도 고퀄리티 영상을 기대하면서 오늘의 영상 마무리하도록 하겠습니다. 그럼 안녕. 레인보우 프렌즈들을 동물로 바꾸는 비밀 실험 내용이 드디어 공개되었다고 합니다. 게임툰즈님의 채널을 통해서 말이죠. 귀여운 동물들이 잔뜩 나올 예정이니 기대되신다면 좋아요 부탁드리면서 지금부터 영상 감상하시죠. 도둑이다.
You come back here with that. Did anyone see who it is? No.
벤투 추격전 나오죠. 벤투 아닙니다.
Red, you slowpokes lost him. Look, over there!
왜? 문이 있네? 비장한 표정 보세요. 실루엣만 놓고 보면 퍼플인 것 같은데 왜 다른 프렌즈들을 따돌리고 음흉한 계략을 꾸미는 거지? 프렌즈 공식 빌런이 레드와 블루에서 퍼플로 옮겨가는 것 같죠? 여기 불길한데. 뭐야? 가스?
Wait, I know what this is. Don't inhale it. It's...
숨 참아. 근데 숨을 안 쉴 수가 없어.
What's happening to us? What the...
귀여워. 고양이가 됐고 오렌지는 거북.
It's exactly what I thought. You see, I created a new elixir, one that could turn animals into
레드는
rainbow
멀쩡해요.
friends. But it seems someone was able to reverse it. And instead, now that gas is turning rainbow friends into...
animals.
이 정도면 오히려 잘 된 거 아닌가요? 기존의 프렌즈들은 덩치도 크고 괴물처럼 생겨서 사람들에게 못 다가가는 건데 지금은 귀여운 동물들로 변했으니까 사람들도 반겨줄 것 같죠? 이참에 시설 밖으로 나가보자.
So this is because of you?
I've been with you the whole time. How could I have activated the gas?
Well, who else would have had access to it?
I suspect whoever we were chasing is the
커플이
culprits. We have to
없잖아.
find them. But all the doors are locked. We don't even know which way they went. Well, they have to have gone somewhere. Everyone search. Hurry!
오.
I'm running out of air.
생선이라 죽어가고 있죠.
Guys, wait up! Give me a
느려.
second.
오렌지 거북이 참 귀엽죠. 근데 얘네들도 참 착한 게 지금 퍼플 빼고 다 모여있고 전부 동물로 변했는데도 끝까지 퍼플은 의심하지 않는 모습입니다. 너희들의 의리 멋있다.
I think they went this way. Green, you use your claws to rip off the lock on that control panel?
고양스? 오,
Okay, Blue. Now if you pull the wire,
오, 뭐야? 놀래라.
well,
문이
that
열렸죠.
works too. The antidote is.
헐,
The antidote is.
숨을 못 쉬어.
We need to get him in some water.
그치? 물 틀고 와우.
Phew, I thought I was a goner.
You were saying something about an antidote.
The antidote should be in here somewhere.
Red, I'm not spelling anything.
They must have taken it with them. We better find it before. Before what?
결국
Oh no. Blue!
Can't you see I'm busy?
You see, the effects of the elixir are reversible, but only for a while.
잠시뿐이고.
We only have so much time until we're stuck like this forever, and we give in to our animal instincts.
한마디로 지능이 떨어진다는 얘기구나. 지금은 본인이 프렌즈에서 동물로 바뀌었다는 걸 인지하고 있지만 지능이 떨어지면 그 사실마저 망각하게 돼서 결국 평생 동물로 살아간다는 이야기를 하는 것 같아요.
You're telling me I'm gonna be stuck this slow forever? You think you have it bad? I'm a fish, the brightest
그치.
mind of a generation, now just inside a bowl. At least Blue's cute. We gotta find that antidote, or
I smell treats.
안 돼.
don't fall for it. You need to stay with us if you
한눈
want
팔지
any
마.
chance at going back to normal.
I can't help myself.
Great! He's a goner if we can't find.
너무 귀엽다.
We've gotta follow them. Who knows where they could have gone? Are you joking? We have to stay here and make a new antidote. I don't know about you, but I don't want to be stuck like this forever. Well, I'm not gonna abandon them, so you're coming along for the ride.
그나저나 생선이 된 레드 너무 귀여운 거 아닙니까? 인상 잔뜩 찌푸리면서 똥폼 잡으려고 하는데 현실은 금붕어죠. 스스로 돌아다니지도 못해가지고 오렌지에게 의존할 수밖에 없는 상황이 오고 말았구만. 불쌍해라.
Where are we? Green? Blue? You in
왠지 여기 있을 것 같아.
Wherever we are, we have to get out and find the antidote before.
오? 뭐야?
Blue? What are you
왜 저래?
doing? Green, Blue, listen to me. You've still got some of your willpower left.
음식이
You don't have
하나뿐이야.
to do this.
I can't help myself.
No, they succumb to their animal instincts as natural enemies. We have to find the cure immediately.
오. 재밌어지는데. 와우.
Boys,
오?
there, there.
역시나 퍼플의 짓이었죠. 도대체 왜 프렌즈들을 동물로 만들려고 하는 거지? 너한테 좋을 건 하나도 없어 보이는데.
Purple, did you do this to us?
Yes, isn't it exciting?
신난다고?
Adorable.
Adorable. You turned me and Red into
화가
the
잔뜩
lamest
났죠.
pets possible. And we're becoming more like them every second. I'm losing my evil genius. Fish only have a memory span of 1 minute. I lost my teeth, and I'm all slowed down. Yeah, and fish only have a memory span of 1 minute. Why did you do this to us?
Because
If you remember, I was orphaned after my entire family
옛날
passed
얘기야.
away in a house fire. As a kid, I was forced to hop foster homes a lot. I always had trouble connecting with my new families everywhere I went. Nothing could replace what I'd lost.
알고 있는 내용이죠.
Who's there?
But then I discovered another type of companionship.
귀여워.
Many of these homes had pets, you see, and they kept me company in my darkest times.
아, 사람은 사라지거나 배신하는데 동물은 절대 배신하지 않죠. 그래서 프렌즈들을 동물로 바꿔버린 것 같은데 결국 프렌즈를 배신한 건 네가 되는 거잖아. 이런 뒤틀린 사고방식 마음에 들지 않아.
The unconditional love of pets was all the love I had in the world, and I bonded with them, much better than the fleeting mothers, fathers, and siblings I went through. I met all types of animals, cats, turtles, fish. No matter what kind of creature it was, they never failed to make me feel just a little bit less lonely. I promised myself that when I grew up, I would have a house full of pets that loved me as much as I loved them. Then one day, I finally had the opportunity.
강아지
I
소리.
found the scrawniest little dog I've ever seen. Some monster must have dumped him by our orphanage. But thankfully, we found each other. Soon enough, that dog became my best friend. Every day I'd sneak out of the orphanage to play with him,
해맑게 웃는 거
or
보세요.
secretly give him a snack. One day, a huge storm came, and I knew I couldn't leave him outside, so I tried to bring him in.
You can't bring that mangy mud in here. You could have rabies, mad cow disease, depression.
저 할아버지 말도 충분히 이해되는 게 보육원 아이들은 상대적으로 영양 상태가 부실하다 보니까 사소한 질병도 치명적으로 다가올 수 있거든요. 그리고 병원비도 문제가 될 수 있죠. 그래서 길주판 강아지를 반대하는 것 같습니다.
I abandoned the only thing left that loved me.
울고 있어.
And the next time I went to look for him, he was gone. I was sure he was dead, swept away in the storm, exposed to the elements. But then, I saw him. Someone found my old buddy and gave him a new home.
왜
I
화가
wanted to
났어?
go up to him to tell him I didn't mean to abandon him, but I realized he deserved better. If I couldn't have a new life, I'm glad he could. As an adult, I was determined to get a dog of my own. But with my financial situation, well,
그치.
it never ended up
돈이
happening.
문제지.
So I decided I should turn you all into pets. That way, I know you already like me and everything.
퍼플 이 자식 완전 사이코패스였구나. 네가 동물로 바꿔버리는 바람에 프렌즈들이 널 싫어하게 될 거라는 생각은 안 해봤니? 너 역시도 인간에서 퍼플로 바뀐 바람에 레드를 싫어하는 거였잖아. 정신 차리자.
Well, we like you a lot less
이거 봐.
Purple, I can't believe you do this to us, just to transform us into your playthings.
Red's right.
Orange, stay with me.
미안 레드.
See what you've done, Purple. If you don't turn us back soon, we'll succumb to our animalistic tendencies.
I'm not giving up on my pet buddies again.
화가 난다.
Sick 'em.
Here, boy, you want the ball? Of course you do. Go get it.
굿보이 굿보이.
There's no way you're gonna stop me.
오렌지가 해내줘?
I could use some help here. Green, thank goodness you still recognize me.
고양이 앞에서 생선이 꼬리를 흔들며 유혹하고 있죠. 이건 뭐 먹어달라는 신호 아니겠습니까? 싱싱한 화로회 한 접시 들어가자.
Get away from me, you!
저
Looks like I'm the only one who
저기
can
위에
still control
치료제가 있어요.
myself.
No, don't you dare!
또 다시 물고. 저거. 자, 다이빙. 와우.
I've never been happier to
돌아왔죠?
have legs. Come here, good boys. You want a treat?
굿보이.
I'm sorry.
전부 돌아왔네.
Can you ever forgive me?
On one condition.
쥐로 변했네.
already. Ooh.
이렇게 끝나게 됩니다. 어린 나이에 가족을 모두 잃게 된 퍼플은 사람 대신 동물과 유대를 쌓게 되었고 비오는 날 강아지를 버린 끔찍한 기억 때문에 프렌즈들을 모두 동물로 바꿔 평생 함께 살 결심을 하게 되죠. 하지만 오렌지와 힘을 합친 레드 덕분에 모두 정상으로 돌아오게 됐고 퍼플은 쥐로 변하게 됐습니다. 레드와 프렌즈의 대결보다 퍼플과 프렌즈의 대결이 훨씬 더 흥미진진하죠. 그럼 전 다음 영상으로 돌아오도록 할게요. 레인보우 프렌즈들을 한 방에 무찌른 엄청난 빌런이 등장했다고 합니다. 게임툰즈님의 채널에 공개가 되었는데요. 엄청나게 강력한 빌런이 기대되신다면 좋아요 부탁드리면서 지금부터 감상 시작하시죠. 오늘도 도망치는 프렌즈들.
I don't know, but I'm not sticking around to find out. It's too fast.
누가 말 그대로 괴물인데? 오,
What about Green? Should we help him?
아니
He's a
그림으로
goner. Maybe we can still
볼링을?
make it. Orange, don't stop running. It'll catch you next.
프렌즈와의 의리.
What did I
설마.
just say?
오,
What's everybody
퍼플.
yelling about?
오, 딱 걸렸지? 와우. 4명의 프렌즈가 모두 한 방에 기절해 버렸죠. 저 괴물의 정체 도대체 뭐야? 왕관을 쓰고 있는 건 블루 같은데 꼬리는 오렌지고 색깔은 악의 상징 검은색이죠. 과연 레드가 저 빌런을 무찌를 수 있을지.
You're the
바로
one I've been
멱살잡이.
hunting for. The evil genius that turned me into this and ruined my life forever.
뭐야?
Back before I was transformed into this monstrosity, I was a humble painter. Nothing fancy. Every
갑자기
day I
과거
would sit on
이야기를?
our porch and paint the ocean. It soothed me. It made me feel whole. I dreamed of becoming a world-famous artist, seeing my work in museums, in galleries,
모든
selling it for
화가의
tens
꿈이죠.
of thousands of dollars. But that would never happen. Or at
왜?
least it won't now. Painting didn't prove to be as much of a moneymaker as I'd hoped.
예술은
I was a great
가난해요.
artist, but making a living was hard. And after a while, I lost more money than I had made. My house was bursting at the seams with boxes full of my unsold
안 돼.
art. No one wanted to buy them because they said I used too many colors and the landscapes were unrealistic.
이보시오 화가 양반. 그 말을 진짜로 믿는 건 아니겠지. 제가 그림에 정말 소질이 없는데도 저 그림은 30분이면 뚝딱 만들 수 있을 것 같거든요. 사람들에게 영감을 주는 그림을 그려야 팔리지 대충 찍찍 그어놓고 팔리길 바라니?
I could barely stand to look at it. I was a total failure. A fact my wife wouldn't let me
가족이
forget.
있었네.
Just like my paintings, the bills started piling
돈이
up
없어.
too. My wife was working 2 jobs trying to help us make
헐.
ends meet, but it still wasn't enough. She started to resent me.
안
And I don't
돼.
blame her. I would resent me too. I felt like a freeloader trying to make my impossible dreams come true while
그런
she
말
kept
하면 안
us
되지.
afloat. She demanded that I get a real job that actually brings in money. So I decided to become a fisherman and sell my catches at the local farmers market.
비
Since
많이
I love
오는데.
the ocean so much, I liked being on the water. But each day away from painting on my canvas felt like torture. I wanted to draw and be creative. The boat was dreary and muted. I wanted to live a life of vivid rainbow colors.
방금 이 대사 복선 같은 느낌이 들죠. 무지개처럼 찬란한 삶을 살고 싶던 주인공 결국 레인보우 프렌즈가 되고 마는 거지. 키야 서사가 그냥 완벽합니다.
So, against the best wishes of my boss, I started sneaking my art
하나만
supplies
해라,
on the boat
하나만.
and painting something new every day, each better than the last. But that made me start to neglect my
저게
duties as a
향상된
fisherman.
거야?
I barely caught anything, and what I did catch was small and sickly. No one would pay good money for it. So I
메로치만
decided to go
잡혀요.
further down the coast for some bigger catches. I went way far away from the usual fishing spots. And
설마.
so far, I almost made it to Oddworld. It was just downstream of the Rainbow Friends play place. And believe it or not, it worked.
오
The fish
월척이야.
looked a little strange to me, but they got the job done. It was a bountiful day at sea, just in time for the farmer's market
색깔이?
the next day. I was ecstatic. If I could bring in enough money,
무지개색이죠?
I'd be able to pay the bills, and my wife might finally forgive me. I was ready to make bank. But it seems that folks were a little put off by the fish's
그래, 색깔이 좀 이상해.
appearance. They say any publicity is good publicity, right? Well, it turns out that's not true.
당연한 거 아니니 이 아저씨야. 장사를 아예 할 줄 모르시네. 패션 아이템 같은 건 노이즈 마케팅도 훌륭한 홍보 수단이지만 식재료는 얘기가 다르지. 딱 봐도 이상하게 생겨가지고 먹는 순간 식중독 걸릴 것 같은데 어떻게 먹냐고 이 아저씨야.
Everyone was grossed out by the strange fish, and I didn't have a single customer. I didn't even sell
지나쳤대.
an anchovy. But hey, at least I had dinner for a while. I, for one, didn't care about how the fish looked.
먹지 마.
After all, it tasted the same to me. But my wife felt differently. She refused to eat it. She said I was somehow even a worse fisherman than a painter. I felt horrible. I couldn't provide anything for
또
her,
싸워.
not even one measly meal. After that, things got pretty bad between us. On top of it, I started feeling strange. I was feeling a lot angrier than usual.
부작용.
But I was also feeling
a lot stronger.
Whoa.
Meanwhile, the fish got weirder and weirder. They started to be larger and even more colorful. Unnaturally colorful. I'd never seen anything like
딱
it.
봐도 독이
With no
들었잖아.
one buying my fish, I was forced to get rid of my inventory as best I could. At least they didn't go to waste.
저 물고기를 먹을 수밖에 없는 심정이 이해되기도 하면서 건강 생각을 하나도 안 하는 모습이 안타깝기도 하네요. 넌 이제 돌연변이가 되는 거야.
Even with
네가
everything
선택한
falling
길이야.
apart, I kept painting. It was the only thing that brought me peace. But even that started to feel different. I couldn't get the strange fish out of my head. It's like my mind was consumed with colors, and the pictures in my head became harder and harder to
그림
paint. A few
예쁜데?
days in, I threw caution to the wind and entered an art fair. The grand prize was $1,000, and boy, could I use that money. I'd be able to pay off some of our debts, save our house,
김치국
save
제대로
my
마시고
marriage
있죠.
even. But as hard as I tried, I didn't even place. Clearly, these idiots had no idea what true art was. I was overcome with rage, and I lost control. I went on a total rampage, ruining everyone else's art out of jealousy, destroying the entire fair. That day ended up being the worst of my life. After that, things fell apart completely. I lost my wife. I lost the house, and I could feel myself losing my humanity as well.
여기서 중요한 교훈을 얻을 수 있죠. 화난다고 멋대로 하면 큰일 난다. 화를 내고 싶은 건 당연한 건데 화를 어떻게 표출하느냐가 인생에 굉장히 중요합니다. 다들 보고 배울 수 있도록.
I didn't even want to paint anymore. Why would I? I'd never be any good. So that night, I went to the only place that ever helped me clear my head. This colorful pollution of some kind. It had almost taken
아름다워.
over the ocean near us. I was beginning to come ashore.
빠지는
Who could
건가?
do such a thing? Dumping waste and chemicals into the ocean, where we get our food, where some people get their livelihood, where there were living creatures. But this wasn't your regular trash or oil spill. I had no idea what on earth it was.
What's happening to me?
오염되고
What's
있어.
happening to me?
지난 시간에 하수구로 레인보우 오염체 같은 게 흘러 들어갔잖아요. 그건가 보다.
Somehow the colors, something took over me. I felt power coursing through my veins, a dark power. All I wanted was my old life back, but instead I became a monster. I was terrified, I was confused, I was angry. I needed to find the source and exact my revenge upon whoever did this to me. And the colors led back here. It seemed as though someone had been dumping them into the ocean.
참 못났다 레드야. 세상 사람들이 불법이라고 규정한 건 싹 다 저지르고 있죠. 바다를 오염시키면 그 결과가 결국 본인에게 돌아온다는 건 인지하지 못하고 신나가지고 폐수 버리고 있죠. 그래도 웃기긴 했다.
Fine, I admit it. It's all my fault. I attempted to make a device that would split the color from a rainbow
색깔
so I
분리
could
기계?
transform myself back into a human. But alas, no matter how many times I tried, it wouldn't take enough color. I tried it on the other rainbow friends too, but with no luck. Needless to say, I
오염됐어.
ended up with a lot of extra color. I had to dispose of them somehow, and I couldn't just throw suspicious barrels
Wow.
of toxic color into the dumpster. It was you! You did this
하나
to
줘.
me! I didn't know that would happen. I figured if the colors were extracted, they wouldn't have any powers anymore. And you should have known better than to eat radioactive fish.
적반 하장 보소.
You're trying to trick me! I'm not! I know what it's like to want to be human again. That's why I created the color splitter in the first place.
이게 정말 말도 안 되는 소리인 게 긍정적인 목적을 위해 불법적인 일을 저지른 걸 봐달라고 하고 있잖아요. 마치 기부하기 위해 돈을 훔쳤으니 봐달라라는 말과 똑같거든요. 목적이 중요한 만큼 방법도 중요해 이 자식아.
You said it yourself. It doesn't work, and that's what got me into this mess. You
화가 잔뜩 나서요 지금. 오,
You did this to me.
넌 죽었다. 자, 역대 최고의 긴장감. 오염된 브랜드 등장.
Run from me.
오, 눈동자 봐.
You want it? Come and get it.
오, 반격합니다. 응, 소용없어. 어? 밀었어. 저기 안에 딱 봐도 이 친구가 색깔 분리기 맛집이죠. 레인보우 프렌즈 색깔을 다 가지고 있고 모자는 황금색, 몸은 검은색이니까 총 6가지 색상을 한 번에 추출할 수 있죠. 설마 이 모든 게 레드의 계략이었나? 우와! 폭발각? 오, 진짜 터졌어. 뭐야?
Hello? Are you there?
오?
Finally, it worked. You're free from the grasp of the
돌아왔어.
rainbow. Perhaps now I can even set myself free. How did it feel? Did it hurt? How does
우와.
it feel to be human again?
뭐지? 설마? 어? 녹아내렸어.
I guess I'll never find out.
이렇게 끝나게 됩니다. 화가로서의 삶을 실패한 주인공은 어부가 되어 제2의 인생을 꿈꾸지만 레드가 몰래 버린 화학약품 때문에 레인보우 빌런으로 변하고 말았죠. 색깔 분리기라는 레드가 만든 새로운 기계를 통해 원래 모습으로 돌아오는 듯 싶었지만 결국 신체 모두가 녹아내리게 되었습니다. 과연 레드는 무사히 인간으로 돌아갈 방법을 찾을 수 있을지 다음 영상을 기대해 주세요. 그럼 안녕.